Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make spicy marinated duck wings. It's a very delicious snack in China. Let's start. Firstly, we should wash the duck wings. We use 500g duck wings for this food. The duck wings will have some duck wool not cleaned up when we buy it. So we need to use the tweezer to clean the duck wool. Then we should use the water to wash them. Then save them for later. Second, we should prepare 6 slices of ginger for this food, then save them for later. Next, we should blanch duck wings. Firstly, add 3 slices of ginger, duck wings, some water into the pan. Use the big fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, blanch duck wings for 3 minutes. Then put them into the water. Next, we should wash duck wings again. If they still have duck wool, use the tweezer to clean duck wool again. Now we can cook spicy marinated duck wings. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut oil into the pan. Use the middle fire to heat it. Then add 20g dried red peppers, 5g Sichuan peppercorns into the pan. Stir and fry them until fragrant. It will take about 20 seconds. Then add 5g star anise, 5g Chinese cinnamon, 5 bay leaves, 5g licorice root, 5g fennel, 5g sugar, 3 slices of ginger, duck wings into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then add 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then add enough water into the pan to immerse the duck wings. Use the big fire to heat them. After the water is boiled, use medium heat to cook it for 40 minutes. We should stir them from time to time to make the duck wings absorb sauce enough. If you are not sure the duck wings are cooked properly for your taste, you can eat one to test it. After 40 minutes, open the lid and use the big fire to cook them. It can help the duck wings absorb flavor from the sauce. After that, we got the delicious spicy marinated duck wings. This food doesn't need to add monosodium glutamate because the sauce has many flavors. If you taste it, you will find that the duck wings has absorbed the fragrance from the sauce and very soft to it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.